Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply same transition or one transition to all the clips or all images on Filmora. Okay, let's get into it, guys. As you can see here, I have added some images to my project, and then I'm going to apply same transition to all these images. First of all, guys, we can go to the transitions menu, and we're going to select a transition we want to apply to our clips or images. And for example, I'm just going to choose this erase transition. I'm going to apply this transition to all the images I have. If we want to apply it all, we need to select our images or our clips like this, and then we can click on this plus icon to add the transition to the images. And as you can see, guys, that now this transition has been applied to all the images, and I'm going to play it to show you. Okay, this is how the transition looks like, and now all my images have same transition. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply same transition to all clips or images on Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!